Once widely found across Africa, they are now critically endangered.
Those were only a few highlights. Now it's time to explore bird paradise. We explored 10 distinct walk-in aviaries and zones across bird paradise. We started with Penguin Cove. We continued exploring different regions of bird paradise.
छोटा सा बच्चा
With every step, bird paradise revealed a different side of itself. Next, we stopped by Eggsplash, a lively water play area that's especially popular with families and kids. And then it was time for one of the highlights of the day, the Predators on Wings amphitheater show.
Wow! Well, talking about birds can be found in Americas, and they're one of the very few birds with a finely tuned sense of smell.
So that means when there's a dead animal nearby, turkey vultures will be the first ones on the scene, followed by the bigger vultures who would help them to represent the top eyes of the dead animal.
And here's an interesting fact about turkey vultures. They have very short stop as less than 10 minutes. Once widely found across Africa, they are now critically endangered.
Don't we have one more scavenger to showcase?
Oh yes, isn't it quite shocking?
No, I'm talking about the bigger ones from Africa.
Right, the bigger ones. Oh, this bird can tender like beak and stud, open face.
Although they're not vultures, they cooperate accurately with the
Influence for many reasons. Reasons like deforestation, electrocution, poison carcasses, and even superstitions. These endangered. Many are now conservation on Mandai nature supports conservation project in Cambodia to protect global hidden vulture from going extinct. Conservation efforts from all over the world will be the only way.
After the show, we arrived at Crimson Wetlands, where elegant flamingos were gracefully moving around the calm waters, creating a truly peaceful and beautiful scene. And just nearby, we came across a beautiful waterfall that added to the calm atmosphere. After that, we took the tram towards the exit as we were quite tired. That's how our day at Bird Paradise came to an end.